Joker getting up the sides, ain't it? I just let that tailgate down. I had it up. I try to see if they're gonna jump out the truck. I don't want them to jump off until I tell them to jump off. Well, I don't think they'll jump off right now unless I took off walking. They getting up the sides though, ain't they? Y'all looking good. AC, AC, look, look, AC, AC, look, huh, look, huh? Y'all look good. You got them on the top notch. Potato done tore that ball up right there. I don't mess around and put them on the ground. They ain't finna get them a wrestle. They gonna stay right there by my feet though. I guess cause they know me ever since they were like 4 weeks old. I guess I'm like mama. Well, I ain't gonna say mama. Well, mama and daddy. Let me see if I can get them down. Come on. I'm gonna jump. It's a good thing they're staying up there though. I turn around and ride them around the yard. They ain't gonna jump out when I ride them. They'll jump all on the side, but they're not gonna jump off the back though. Hey. Hey, what is it? Hey, them my little babies right there. Them is my little babies. He bugged, he messing with me. All right, my fellow Christians. There go my little black babies. All right, till next time. Y'all ready to get down? Huh? Y'all ready to get down? Huh? Y'all ready to get down? AC. AC. Huh? Y'all ready?